child. The world is a clear story, full of deception. You do not know what will be the trick of tomorrow morning.
They are here, the reporters.
Waiting outside.
Amir Saleh, I'm sorry. This is not a good idea.
They are Arabs.
They have passports. From Belgium. They've been waiting a long time.
I can send them away.
We need all the help we can get in the coming months. Show them in.
Do we lose Afghanistan?
Be brave. It is a big offensive, but the goal is to get Badakhshan and get us out.
And the Pakistanis?
From the madrasas, naturally. But this is a war of Al-Qaeda. The Arabs never succeed in anything. Do you ever see Arabs succeed in anything? The defeated ones become heroes. We need all the help we can get.
You can send them anywhere.
He is a wrestler or a photographer.
Are you ready?
When you are.
You have had time to review all the questions, yes?
Ask me anything you like.
What would you do with Osama bin Laden if you captured him?